Trevor just dropped his bike. Apparently he thought it was in neutral and it wasn't.
No, it has a neutral cutoff, motherfucker.
It has a neutral safety and it doesn't
not
turn
supposed
over
to start.
Here we go.
It's not in neutral. Because there's a little button down there that says, this isn't in neutral, it won't go on! Oh.
Why didn't you sit on it and then try it?
Because I thought when I parked it, I put it in neutral so that I could and get the f out of here.
Alright, so I'm hanging out with my buddy Bryce and Trevor. We're gonna go to a car meet here.
Let's see if it starts. That's gonna be.
Alrighty, let's see if it starts.
I bent my clutch handle, bro. Huh? I bent my clutch handle.
It starts. Let's have a cool look at this Volkswagen real quick while we're waiting. Got that nice clean look, took all the badges off. Rocking a Momo wheel. Gorgeous wheel, man. Are you rolling?
In a minute, he's gonna fix this windshield real quick.
Oh, okay, so apparently he broke his windshield. He's got to fix it. Oh, you revving that up? You revving it up? All right, cool. Hold up. Let's go. All right, go for it. It's pretty sick. So what year is this thing, boss?
96.
96. It's pretty freaking clean, dude. What all you done? I just took the badges off and then what, new wheels?
Yeah, ESM 002R wheels, 15x9 rear, 15x8 front. It's got stock cat to the axle. Axle back is a straight pipe intake. ST coilovers, iBox sways.
Yeah, she's sitting pretty, man. He's fixing his windshield. It came off when the bike fell over. Still waiting on Trevor. They wanted me to be done in a hurry. Assaded. So hopefully we see some super red cars at this car meet. It's going to be all Volkswagens, but I'm hoping to see some really cool tricked out ones. Maybe some cool paintwork, some cool wheels. You know, one can only hope. Afterwards we're going to go out to a little after party event. Hang out, hopefully I'll get some cool footage there, you never know. As long as it isn't dead, you know. Most bars might be dead at this time. Oh.
I know gotta have some zip ties in there, doesn't he?
I don't even know where. We could go hunting them down if you want. Alright.
Well, I'm not gonna do that anywhere near here because that's where I got pulled over.
Alrighty, so we're kicking it in Bryce's car. I just filmed a piece of him opening it up and then my camera decided not to save it, so thanks, camera.
O bico do beija-flor, 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 e toda a fauna, flora grita de amor. Quem segura o porta-estandarte tem arte, e aqui passa com raça eletrônico.
Alright, so we made it to the car meet. Here we are, with all the Volkswagens. It's a small meet, but it's pretty damn cool. Alrighty guys, so I'm sorry I don't have all the exact years. I'm not a full-on VW aficionado. Just a guy who really loves cars, so if you guys see the years, please feel free to comment on them, the model, make, year, anything other nerdy facts that people could read up on that I don't know. This guy's got some pretty cool lights on the front.
Atrás do arranha-céu tem céu, e depois tem outro céu sem estrelas.
Alrighty, cool. Still kicking it at the car meet. We got a few extra cars here. Check this out. We got this badass off-roader bug right here. Pretty clean. so Trevor needs to get some new zip ties for his windshield.
Ridiculous, man.
So we're rolling over there right now to go grab them. We got this gorgeous Karmann Ghia and a thing sitting over there. I'm gonna film that when I get back.
You just call me. Let's go spend some money.
Do it. I'm sure my hair is fucking insane right now, but we're kicking it. You know, huh? Oh, got the sweet tunes going. Okay guys, check this out, man. Is this not one of the coolest things ever? It's a shift knob that's a freaking handgun handle. Like, come on, pistol grip. That is pretty sick. Most of the people are gone, so let's go film this Karmann Ghia. This gorgeous Karmann Ghia. That guy's pretty gorgeous too. I think it's a 50-50 tie. Man. Hell yeah. They're looking at the motor. Let's go get a look at that thing right now. Is it yours?
Yeah.
Man. Look at that motor.
Did you send it or what? I just sent it.
Beautiful Karmann Ghia. Man. Beautiful bodywork. Everything's beautiful about it. Even the stereo. Look at the stereo.
It's kind of in the.
What's the name of this model?
It's a notchback. It's a 1967 notchback.
Damn.
And
That's pretty cool.
They weren't sold in the States. I was just telling him this one actually, I got the birth certificate. It was built in Wolfsburg and then shipped to Belgium.
This guy's showing us all the cool original stuff on this original VW notchback. And it's say 67, right?
67.
67.
Floor mats are original Coco mats.
Wow. It's even got a cool wooden top mount rack here. You actually had to track down the original radio?
An original 1967 only radio.
That's pretty interesting. Man.
Like an accessory fog light bar with the Hella fog lights.
Wow,
Type
nice.
3 detectives in England.
We got this pretty cool thing right here. That's uber cool. Check that out. It's got Tweety on it. It's pretty clean, pretty clean. Looks nice. It's been a pretty good day all in all. We're gonna watch this guy take off right now. We'll shoot some more and then we're going to the party. Whoop. Just a vet.
You guys going to sets too? Are you guys going to sets? Nice.
Have a good one. Alright, so while we're at this VW meet, someone showed up with a badass rat rod. Check this thing out.
The breathers were old 1940 Sherman tank shells.
Yeah, I just was reading the top right, the 75 millimeter.
Yeah, watch those pipes.
Those are tank shells?
How many times I'm like,
Then you're like, stuff herself.
That is a tank shell, 3 of them. How boss is that?
Or if I'm not bleeding from somewhere, I'll figure out.
This thing just looks great from every angle. This thing is so freaking cool.
The,
Just way to do that is, he used to use a, but he still has his.
just 7-inch GL Manchester.
Yeah, that's what opened.
Sup, boys?
No best car, right?
Little brisk ride for you?
So you were leaving ride for me.
Yeah.
Alright, so apparently we're going to some kind of cool hookah bar for everyone to meet up at, and that's where the hangout's going to be. So we're going to roll over there right now, but I don't really smoke hookah, so this is going to be interesting. What are you hoping for at the hookah bar tonight?
Some ass? Why else do I go there, dog?
I don't think he's having anyone climb on that bike.
Baby, I give you a call. Next time I'm feeling kind of horny. You don't know, and I make you call.
Alright, I don't or if you can hear me, but we're here at the hookah bar and no one's here yet.
And don't open your mouth.
It is bone dry empty. Alright, so end of the night. We're now leaving the hookah bar. It wasn't too poppin', but we hung out, had a few drinks, kicked it. Now we're heading over to a Walmart. Trevor's gotta buy a sweater so he can ride his motorcycle home. It's like 2 in the morning, 1:30 in the morning. God, dude. Alrighty, so we're now in Walmart. Trevor's looking for a sweater. He's down there somewhere. Oh, that's my shirt. Let's make a panda, bro. Let's. Yeah, dude, get a shower robe and wear that on your motorcycle, bro. Let's do it. Okay, so because it's summer, we realized that Walmart has no long sleeve.
But they
zip
got
up,
a lot of
anything.
short sleeve and no sleeve.
To put more clothes on me.
I mean, not even like just a standard T-shirt that's long sleeve. There's nothing. It's all this. It's 1 at night and it's cold as hell. He needs a freaking jacket. Look at him. We must hunt down the wild Trevor. Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is. All right, we're gonna hide behind. Let him think that there's
Short
nothing
sleeve.
behind him.
Short sleeve. Short sleeve.
Looking through the whole rack. He still can't find anything. We're just walking around, just being stupid at this point.
Do you guys not carry any kind of jacket during summer because it's freezing out there? And I ride a motorcycle.
We're seasonal right now.
Really?
Yep, everything's starting
Damn.
coming in. Believe it or not, our Christmas stuff comes in August.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know.
We're still looking.
Sleeping bag.
We're still looking. Somehow we're over by sporting goods now.
Now we're looking at sleeping bags.
Yeah, now we're looking at sleeping bags. Hey, just cut a hole in the sleeping bag, dude.
I'm saying 2 feet holes and a slit down the middle.
You gonna do this?
Dude, $15.
They got Ghostbusters though. Too bad it's ruined. It's okay. We grew up with the good ones. Okay, so Trevor actually did find something, and it's not that embarrassing. It's actually really boring. Yeah. I doubt you can see me, or if you can see Bryce, but we're kicking it, cruising on the way home. All right, Bryce is taking off. Peace. Let's see if he makes some noise. Oh yeah. Alrighty guys, so I'm at my house, just walking up.